G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio. We're showing you today our BTN 300 unit, and we've fit a lot of these, but we've put this into a 2012 Mazda Axela. So we've got the frame around there, we've fitted the whole big 9-inch unit there. It's really good to see. We've fitted with reverse camera. You can see there it's got reverse camera with lines, a good clear picture of what's behind you. In the radio, it's got our normal radio interface there with full RDS, so it tells you what station you're listening to, and it'll tell you some data about the station as well, if they're playing music or whatever song's playing next. Like ZM often comes up with that sort of data. If you want to tune in a radio station, you can actually use the keypad there. Just type in the station you want to go. So if you wanted to listen to, say, 3Z Boring down here, you type in 100.1 and you've got 3ZB or whatever you want, whatever you're into. You've also got a graphic equalizer on board, and you can set that to however you want to go there. It's all pretty cool. Now we've got USB, we've got Bluetooth, and this device we've got my phone. You can touch the Bluetooth and you can have up to I think it's 12 phones. You can tell which one you want to get plugged into. You can download all your contacts, you can look at all your call logs, you can play music. And if you're playing a track, I haven't connected anything up at the moment, we'll play the first thing. There we go, track from Spotify. So that's all pretty cool. It says you can use all your, you can change station, tracks, and so on. It's pretty cool, and obviously all your steering wheel controls work. And just so we don't get a copyright thing, I'll turn that down. But the big thing that people want nowadays is they want Apple Carplay and Android Auto, and we've prepared a cable using the OEM Audio genuine cable, and you'll see we have Apple CarPlay. And if you notice, one other clever device about the function of these devices is that every separate app or function you have has its own sort of audio level, and you'll find that you get Bluetooth works admirably well when one of your friends calls. So we'll just decline that because he thinks it's beer o'clock. So you've got all your music there from Spotify. You can have all the apps that are preferred. You can have Waze, Sidekick, Google Maps, Apple Maps, audio books. Every app that's Apple approved will appear, and then of course you've got your main menu over there. So it's all, and you can read out and reply to your text messages. In this case, knowing the gentleman who sent me the text, I'm probably not going to in public, but it's all very cool. And of course you connect your reverse camera, all your steering wheel functions work. It's a 2-year warranty with all these devices. And they put out, I know you can't see it in a YouTube video, but they do put out a magnificent sound and are compatible with nearly every radio. Or, sorry, every make of car we have. I do film these all in one take, so any mistakes are pretty genuine. Now these are available from us at oemaudio.co.nz, where you can come and see us at 18 College Street in Sydenham, Christchurch, or give us a call on 0508 636 283. We can export all around the world. Thanks for watching.